Hello peeps, how are you all doing today? Good, I hope. This is 10p. This is very similar design as the 50p. I quite like them. I don't know if I've done one of these before, I might have done. Anywho's, let's bang a hole in it, shall we? I hope you're all doing great. Mr. Wonderful is, yeah, he's doing pretty good today, I suppose. Could be better, could be worse. The hand is still a bit sad, still a bit swollen, but there you go. At least it's working. Right, this poor old hand's been through the mill. Motorcycle accidents, and my wrist nearly fell off. Let's just wipe it all back up again. Right. What we got? We should have a 10p. Oh God! I've been sitting on the sofa with bags of frozen vegetables on my own. It does help. This doesn't help too much, but it probably doesn't hurt to, you know, make it do something. Just sitting around all bloody day. Right, let's clean out this inside edge, make sure there's no sprouts growing or turmeric in there. Turmeric, where did that come from? Bloody turmeric. I know nothing. I learned it from the book. Okie dokie. Well, let's show it a bit of love with Bernie. Where's my lighter? There it is. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll definitely make you one. Or two. Let's just take some heating up. There you go. Right. Let's break out the one and only dimples. And we want this edge sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down in our little dimples block. Try and get it level ish. Right, let's go over to Mr. Big Red and see what he's going to do for us. Give it a little bit of a squeeze. Okay, don't need that anymore. Now we need one of these 13-degree folding dies. Like this one's perfect. And we want to give it a little bit of love. Just a little bit of love, not too much love. That's more than enough love for our 10p. Right, there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up again and we'll go over to Spike and we'll have a play with Spike. Be back in a sec. Just got to warm it up, show it a bit more affection. Right, I just annealed it again. We're over to Spike and just looking to get that bow out of it. This is Spike, he's a ring stretcher. And it stretches your ring. Everybody should have one of these. And you can stretch your own rings. God, bloody hell. It's getting a bit tight. Yep, I'll have to knead it again. Back in a sec. Okay, let's get a few more. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. How's that looking? Yeah, there you go. There's no bow in it. I don't think. It's more cone shaped. Yeah, there you go. So we can now go down to the bottom of the spike. And do a little bit of the old zoom, shall we? Oops, daisy. It's going all over the place. Right. Now we just want to find one of these where it protrudes just a little bit. Oh, it's protruding there about a mil, but yeah, it's something, you know. I'm going to make sure it's nice and square, nice and level. There you go. Square walls. There is a little bit of a lip inside, so I'll just whip that out. That's pretty good. I'll break out Kate and we'll it just gets the fire. There's not much fire scale on this one, but I do clear coat all my rings as well. There we go. Well, let's take out Kate. We're sticking Felton John. And I'll give it a bit of love with a bit of polish. There you go, a bit there, a bit on the inside. Perfect. I might try patina in this later on, not on camera, but I had a few people ask me what camera I use. I don't have a camera, it's just an old iPhone. It's not an iPhone, it's a Samsung phone. Ouch. And it's about 6-7 years old. Nothing special. I'm not into buying these bloody stupid expensive phones. All I need a phone for, believe it or not, is for phone calls and texting. I don't do anything on my phone. I don't watch YouTube because I mean the bloody screen's too big, you know. Go home and do it on the telly or your laptop or, you know. In Finland it's crazy. You go on the bus or the train, everybody, and I mean, well, I'd say 98% of people especially women, on their bloody phone all the time. They don't look up, they don't do nothing. They're on their phone. And what are they doing on their phone? They're either looking in the bloody mirror, I mean, or they're just looking at shit. Facebook and, you know, I mean, Jesus, wet man, get a life. Right. We should have a nice 10p ring. It ain't too shabby. I might see if these take a patina later on. I'll chuck them in a pot and see what happens. There you go. 110p. That's quite pretty, isn't it? There she is, this Lizzie. Rule Britannia, there'll always be an England. Right. I don't know if that's true or not. 8, just over 8.5. I can make it a bit bigger. I can make it a bit smaller. But it fits that finger absolutely perfectly. I mean, it's made to measure, that finger, isn't it, really? So thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. If you want to subscribe, hit the little red button, bottom right hand corner. Hit the like button. I could do some love. And, yeah. See you next one. You lot can have this. Have it!